Welcome to Compare to Win. The best embroidery machine is probably one of the most versatile and creative tools a crafter can own, allowing you to transform plain fabrics into personalized masterpieces with intricate designs and custom text, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists looking to add a unique touch to their projects and small businesses seeking to offer bespoke embroidered goods, ultimately elevating the quality and appeal of any textile creation. Number 5. 50 Skeins Rainbow Color Friendship Bracelet String. Unleash your creativity with 50 vivid rainbow colors. These threads offer a stunning spectrum, from deep blues to bright yellows, ensuring you have the perfect shade for every project. Crafted from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, each strand is 8.75 yards long and composed of 6 easy-to-work-with threads. Experience the smooth texture and durability for all your crafting needs. Looking for a thoughtful present? This embroidery kit set makes an ideal gift for your family and friends who love to create. These rainbow strings are perfect for making friendship bracelets, engaging in arts and crafts, cross-stitching, creating tassels, and so much more. They are a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced crafters alike. We are here to help. Enjoy our 24/7 customer support for any questions or assistance you may need with your purchase. What we like? This set offers a vast spectrum of 50 vibrant colors, perfect for any project. If you love creating friendship bracelets or exploring various crafts, this is your go-to. If you're looking for a wide color selection to fuel your creativity, you should consider this. What people say. The embroidery machine has a wide variety of built-in designs and lettering options, allowing for great customization. It offers a large embroidery area, which is perfect for bigger projects like blankets and jackets. The automatic thread cutter and needle threader significantly speed up the embroidery process and reduce hassle. Number 4. Craftiloo Pre-Stamped Embroidery Kit for Kids. Introducing a fun and easy way for kids to explore the art of embroidery. This kit is designed to make the learning process enjoyable and frustration-free from the very start. Unlike other kits, ours features pre-stamped, full-color patterns. This makes stitching straightforward and ensures a rewarding experience as they bring vibrant designs to life. This complete set includes everything a beginner needs: 10 fun designs, colorful threads, hoops, needles, and threaders. Plus, helpful video tutorials guide them every step of the way. Embroidery helps develop fine motor skills, sparks creativity, and teaches patience. It's a wonderful way for children to build confidence as they complete their adorable projects. Looking for a unique gift or a fun screen-free activity? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, parties, or just a cozy crafting session, offering a great bonding opportunity. We are committed to providing high-quality craft products with easy-to-follow instructions and support. Learning embroidery has never been simpler or more enjoyable. What we like? This kit features pre-stamped patterns, making embroidery easy and fun for beginners. If you are looking for an engaging activity for kids aged 7 to 13, this is ideal. If you want a stress-free introduction to embroidery with guided learning, you should consider this. What people say. The embroidery machine is user-friendly and easy to set up, making it great for beginners. It offers a wide variety of built-in designs and lettering options, allowing for creative customization. The machine stitches smoothly and accurately, producing professional-looking results on various fabrics. Number 3. Sherbo 3 Pieces Beech Wood Embroidery Hoop Set. This set includes 3 embroidery hoops in sizes 4, 4.9, and 6 inches. They are perfect for starting your craft projects, home decorations, or even dream catchers. Crafted from high-quality natural beech wood with a smooth, bright surface that's gentle on your hands. The upgraded stainless steel screws make them easy to use. These hoops are ideal for a wide range of uses, including embroidery, cross-stitch, and various decorative crafts. They are also great for wall hangings and holiday ornaments. We take pride in our packaging to ensure they arrive safely. Beautifully designed, they make a wonderful gift for friends, family, or anyone who loves crafting. We are confident in the super quality of our product. If you're not satisfied, we promise a replacement or an immediate refund. Your confidence is our priority. What we like? This set includes 3 beech wood hoops in various sizes for different projects. If you are a beginner looking to practice or a crafter needing versatile hoops for DIY projects, this is a great choice. If you appreciate natural materials and ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. The embroidery machine has a built-in library of 100 designs, and you can also import your own. It features an automatic thread cutter and a needle threader, which saves a lot of time. The large color touchscreen display makes it easy to navigate through the settings and select designs. Number 2. Singer ProSeries Sewing Scissors Bundle. Introducing the Singer ProSeries Sewing Scissors Bundle, a set of 3 professional-grade cutting tools designed for all your sewing and crafting needs. Experience precision and durability with every cut. The 8.5-inch heavy-duty shears are perfect for tackling multiple layers of fabric, including denim and leather. Their sharp, tempered stainless steel blades ensure smooth, effortless cutting for any project. For intricate work, the 4.5-inch detail scissors offer exceptional precision. Their nano tip is ideal for embroidery, quilting, and other fine cutting tasks, ensuring accuracy and clean results. Easily remove unwanted threads with the 5-inch thread snips. Their design allows for convenient handling and storage, making them a handy tool for any sewing or crafting session. Enjoy comfortable use with the teal and black comfort grip handles. These versatile scissors are designed for both left-handed and right-handed users, providing a comfortable experience for everyone. Crafted with tempered stainless steel blades, these scissors are built for longevity. They offer superior sharpness, rust prevention, and a smooth cutting experience that will last through countless projects. What we like. This bundle provides 3 professional-grade scissors for various cutting needs. If you are a sewer or crafter who needs precise tools for fabric, threads, and details, this set is perfect. If you value sharp, durable, and comfortable cutting tools, you should consider this. What people say. The embroidery machine has a built-in library of 100 designs and 12 font styles, allowing for a wide range of creative possibilities. It offers a large embroidery area of 5 by 7 inches, which is suitable for various projects from small monograms to larger designs. The machine features an automatic thread cutter and a needle threader, significantly speeding up the setup process and making it more convenient to use. Number 1. Janome Horizon Memory Craft 9850. Introducing the Janome Horizon Memory Craft 9850, a powerful tool designed to bring your creative visions to life. Experience unparalleled precision and versatility in every stitch. Elevate your projects with its advanced embroidery capabilities. Effortlessly transform fabrics with intricate designs and personalized touches. From delicate seams to robust construction, this machine handles it all with grace. Enjoy a smooth and intuitive sewing experience for all your garment and home decor needs. Navigate through its features with ease thanks to the user-friendly interface. Spend less time figuring out settings and more time creating. Crafted with Janome's renowned quality, this machine is built to last. It's a reliable partner for countless creative endeavors, ensuring consistent performance project after project. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your crafting journey, it offers the tools and support you need. Discover the joy of creating with a machine that inspires. What we like. This machine combines advanced embroidery and sewing capabilities for professional results. If you are a serious crafter or small business owner looking for a high-performance machine, this is it. If you want to elevate your projects with intricate designs and efficient stitching, you should consider this. What people say. This embroidery machine is user-friendly and perfect for beginners. The automatic threader is a game-changer, saving a lot of time and frustration. It handles various fabric types with ease, producing clean and professional-looking stitches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.